through the snow.
Oh, here we have some snow.
Serious.
A lot more so than before. This is serious snow here.
Serious snow. We have serious snow very often here in the United States too. And one of the things that the European riders note, you know, that the climbs themselves and so on aren't so more severe over here. It's just that the base elevations are so much higher that the race begins at 2,000 meters or 6,500, 7,000 feet and goes on up to 11 or 12,000 feet. And often in Colorado and right into July, you'll see 10, 20, 30 feet of snow up on top of some of the major passes.
That much, huh?
Just like here.
8 kilometers from the finish here.
Moser grimacing into what appears to be a storm of some kind brewing at that altitude. There's Cerrone.
Now, Moser, in this particular stage, had 2 of his teammates up front. He had Baron Kelly and he had Corti. So Cerrone basically could not count on anybody's help. And Beccia was there at the front, is at the front here, but Beccia, actually remembering when I saw the live transmission, was there for maybe not even a kilometer. And the lion's share of the work had to be done by Cerrone. And in the front you had Vicentini and Lemon, Greg, and this was the decisive stage. I believe it was in this stage where Cerrone lost the pink jersey to Vicentini.
There are LeMond and Vicentini right there, center camera. Greg LeMond in the colors of the La Vie Claire, and there's Vicentini.
And they know that Cerrone isn't back, and they know that this is their golden opportunity. This is Munoz, I believe, and there's Corti back there.
Moser marking Cerrone. As you said, with 2 of his teammates up front, he's not going to work. And Cerrone has to take matters into his own hands to try to minimize his loss of time to the riders who are up ahead. 1 minute and 50 seconds. And from the previous general classification standings, we knew that prior to Vicentini picking up 20 seconds or so a few stages ago, that he was only 1.5 minutes or thereabouts down. So this 1 minute and 50 seconds does in fact make Vicentini the leader on the road, so to speak. He has gained enough time to take away the overall general classification lead of Cerrone.
Here's Baron Kelly, and he, at this point, he could have, if he would have stayed with Vicentini, he would have been the pink jersey. On the road, he was the pink jersey, the leader's jersey, and he got dropped, and he was very, very severely accused by his sponsor. By the way, here Vicentini, his chain drops as he's changing, and lost a lot of ground, and Munoz and Greg went on ahead. But
Vicentini scatta nuovamente mentre tentava di passare ad un altro rapporto per lo sprint, salto della catena. Vediamo cosa avviene anche in testa mentre seguiamo l'inseguimento di Vicentini, che ha perso Munoz. Ve l'avevamo detto, Munoz che era rimasto tranquillo aspettando che fossero Lemond e Vicentini a levare le castagne dal fuoco, piazza lo scattino vincente come aveva fatto già sul Gran Premio della montagna del Colle di San Marco, ed è il secondo attacco vincente degli uomini della Fagor. Early, l'irlandese a Sausedus, lo spagnolo Munoz qui a Foppolo, mentre oltre alla maglia di corridore agonisticamente il più attivo Visentini a questo punto merita anche la maglia del corridore più sfortunato. Munoz, ecco il tempo 4:19:54. Il ritardo del gruppo di Saronni 2:19. Eccolo qua Munoz, Pedro Munoz ormai in vista del traguardo, ormai nessuno è più in grado di impensierirlo. È il secondo successo degli uomini della Fagor diretti da Pierre Bassot. Munoz, poi Lemond, mentre Visentini ha recuperato
And here comes Visentini, who had the chain problem earlier. He'll come in and take third place and the race lead, the overall race lead.
Here's Corti in fourth place. And Baron Kelly coming in a minute 23. He lost a minute 23 on this particular stage.
After having been in that breakaway. There's
there goes Zimmerman. And Moser, the Cerrone group with Moser in it, and Moser is going to win the sprint. They're coming in 2:20 something, almost 2.5 minutes behind.
So that gives Visentini the race lead after 16 stages. 5 stages remain. There's Munoz, the stage winner, and Visentini donning for the first time the pink jersey, the maglia rosa of the leader of the Giro d'Italia.